FLIXBOLT. Like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell.
Hello, and welcome to another how-to video. The downloader is the first application that anyone should download on their Firestick. If you have 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go straight to the settings, which is all the way at the end right there on the screen. You're going to open that up, and then you're going to scroll down to My Fire TV. Once in My Fire TV, you're going to go to Developers Options. Once in Developers Options, you're going to turn on ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Just be sure that you agree with the text prior to turning it on. Now that unknown sources have been activated, let's download the downloader. There's a quick little shortcut to get to the downloader if you highlight the YouTube app and then scroll down right in the bottom row. You can also search out the downloader or use the Alexa voice. Once on the downloader page, all you have to do is just click the download button and it's going to initiate the download. It should take a few seconds, and then once it's done, you get a nice little congratulatory screen letting you know that you've downloaded the app. Open up the app and there's one last thing to do. Click Allow. And there you have it. The downloader is now installed and ready to go. If you enjoy these type of videos, give a like and a share. I plan on doing more how-to videos. Take care. FLIXBOLT out.